Welcome to the video podcast tutorial series with My Call Cloud. I'm Noah, your CEO and founder, and we're going to cover today shifts. So we're going to show you shifts. So what we're going to do first is we're going to hit the admin panel and we're going to click on shifts. Show shifts. We're just going to click on the 24-hour midnight shift, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Admin user group all. If you wanted to change the admin user group to match a particular use case, like if you had sales reps that came in and you didn't want them starting until 8, for example, then you would maybe create a user group first, and you would stipulate maybe it's sales group or whatever it is. But then you can assign that user group to this new call time, or to this new shift time. And then, of course, the shift weekdays, what days of the week are going to be in this shift, and the report option, yes or no. This report option allows the specific shift to show up in selected reports that support this option, which is kind of cool. Report rank. This option allows you to rank shifts in selected reports that support this option. So there's some reporting that ties into the back end here as well. And then you can see the user groups that use this shift. Again, that's that module that I was talking about at the bottom of most of these, or the information at the bottom of most of the modules will have information identifying what is using this module. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a new shift. So I'm going to add a new shift. We're going to call this video series. Video series. And we're going to call this the My Call Cloud video series. I'm going to associate it to the video series user group. I'm going to create a start time of 0800, and my end time is going to be 5 p.m. So I'm going to create that 5 plus 12, 1700. Calculate shift length, 9 hours. And that's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then I submit that option. User groups using this shift, which it hasn't been assigned yet. So we will assign that in the user group when we get to that module. And just wanted to remind everybody that if you need help, reach out to us, sales@mycallcloud.com. You can get yourself an account here. We can get you support, and you'll be off and running with a great team. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you on the next one.